Hello everybody. Today we will discuss a topic in mathematics. Find the value of root 7 up to 6 decimal places by long division method. So here 7 can be written as 7 point any number of zeros. If I put, it is equal to 7 only. So this is decimal point. To the right side of the decimal point we call it as decimal part. To the left side of the decimal point we call it as real part. So 7 can be written as 7.000. Any number of zeros you can put. So now in order to find the value of root 7, first you have to write 7, put point, put some zeros. You can put any number of zeros, but because he is asking us to find up to 6 decimal places, we will put some more zeros. Now we have to find the perfect square which is below 7. So we know the perfect squares are 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25 and so on. So this 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 are perfect squares. So the perfect square below 7 is 4. So 4 can be written as 2 square. So that is 2 into 2. So draw a line like this. Then a line here. Now here this is the decimal part. So for the decimal part from left to right you have to pair. So like this you have to pair up. Put one more 0, pair up. And to the left side of the decimal point, that is for the real part, you have to pair up from right to left. But because we have only single digit, we'll put a bar like this. Now the perfect square is 4. Below 7, the perfect square is 4. So we can write it as 2 square, which is 4. Now subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. Now you have to double the digit. Whatever number you have here, you have to double the digit which is there in the units place. So 2 plus 2 is 4. You have to write 4 here because you have a point. You have to put a point and then bring these two zeros down. So you will have 300. Now I have to place a digit here. Whatever digit I am placing here, the same digit I have to place here or here also. And then you have to multiply this entire number with the digit placed here. Now let us check. If I take suppose 45, then we will check. 45 into 5 is how much? 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 20, 20 plus 2 is 225. Then let us check for 46. 46 into 6. 6 6 is 36, 6 4 is 24, 25, 26, 27. 276. If I take 47 into 7, it is more than 300. So 46 into 6 is 276. Now subtract. So borrow from here. So it becomes 10 minus 6 is 4. It becomes 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. Now you have to put 2 zeros. Then double the digit. So here you have 6 in the units place. So you have to add 6 to 46. So 6 plus 6 is 12. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5, 52 we have here. Now you have to place a digit here and the same digit you have to place here also. You have to multiply this entire number with the digit placed here. Now let us, again you have to check. Suppose if I take 524 into 4. 4 4 is 16. 4 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 5 are 20. So it becomes 2096. Then if I take 525 into 5, 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12, 5 5 is 25 plus 1 26, which is more than 2400. So we have to take this one. 524 into 4 is 2096. Again subtract. So you'll get 10 minus 6 is 4. So you'll have 9 minus 9 is 0 because we are borrowing from here. Here you'll have 3. So this is 304. Now again you have to double the digit. 4. 4 4 is 8. Then 2 5. Now I have to place a digit here. The same digit I have to place here also, and then multiply the entire number present here with the digit placed here. So now let us check. So we have to bring these two zeros down. Then we have to check here. We have to guess. Then let us put 5, 2, 8. Let us check for 5 into 5. So 5 5 is 25. 5 8 is 40 plus 2 is 42. 5 2 is 10 plus 4 is 14. 5 5 is 25 plus 1 is 26. Okay. Now if I take one more, it will be greater, because here let us check. 5 2 8 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 8 are 48. 49 50 51. 6 2 are 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 6 5 are 30 plus 1 31. So 31,716 is more than 30,000. So we have to take this one. So I have to place 5 and then 5 here. So you'll get 26,425. So again subtract. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 9 you'll get. 9 minus 2 is 7. So now here you will be having 3 because we borrowed. Here you will be having 3. Now again from here, if you borrow, it becomes 9. It becomes 13 minus 4 is 13 minus 4 is 9. And then here you will have 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. So here he is asking us to find up to 6 decimals. So we got till 3 decimals only. We have to do it till 3 more. So now again you have to bring these zeros down. So we will get 2 more zeros. Now again double the digit. So you will get 10, 9, 2, 5. Now you have to place a digit here. The same digit you have to place here also. So again you have to guess. So suppose let us take 52907 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens is 49. 7 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. 7 nines is 63. 7 twos are 14. Plus 6 is 20. 7 5s are 35. 36, 37. So you will get, now if I place 7 and 7 here, you will get 37,349. Now subtract. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5 because you borrowed. Here you will be having 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Then here you are having 7 minus 0 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. Now again bring these two zeros down. So you are having zeros here, and then you have to double the digit. 7 7 is 14. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. 9 2 5. Now we have to place a digit here. The same digit you have to place here also. Okay, so let us place 5 and check it. So you will get 529145 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 is 22. 5 1s are 5 6 7. 5 9s are 45. Then 5 2s are 10 plus 4 is 14. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 is 26. So you will get 2 6 4 5 7 2 5. Here you are getting 26. Here you have 27. So I have to take 5. If I take 6, then it will be more than 27 here. Now again subtract it. So I'll get 10 minus 5 is 5. And then here you will have 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. Because you borrowed, you'll have 0 here. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Then here you'll have 4. So borrow from here. 14 minus 5 is 9. Again you'll have 0 here because you borrowed. So then it becomes 10 minus 4 is 6. Then here you'll have 6 here. 6 minus 6, 0. Now here you have till 5 decimals. This is decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 decimals, but we have to find up to 6 decimals. So you have to place 2 more digits. Bring these zeros down here. So you'll have 2 more zeros. Then again plus 5, 5 is 10, 1 plus 4 is 5, 1, 9, 2, 5. Now you have to place a digit here, the same digit you have to place here also. So now here you see you have 6 digits, you have 3, 6, 7 digits. Now let us check for 1. Ones are, we will get 529150 You have to subtract it. Then you'll get the difference. So now we got up to 6 decimals. So root 7 is equal to 2.6455751. This is the value of root 7. So root 7 is equal to 2.645751. Kindly subscribe, like and share this channel.